Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the ICE Design Codemakers tutorial on app design. This is tutorial number 2, and last time we left off by creating an app that had a button and it said something to us. It told us a fixed phrase.
Great job. You just built an app.
It told us, great job, you just built an app.
Great job. You just built an app.
Great job, you just built an app. And I want to talk about how we can rename these buttons. So right now the button on the phone just says text for button 1. So we can rename the button by just clicking on it in the designer and just click rename over here. Oh, that's not it. You click on the button, and then where it says properties, not the component section, where it says properties, you click text. So it's whatever text that appears on the button. So you can say click to talk. So that's what, and you just click enter. And then our button will now be called click to talk, which is cool. Now, last time I said we were building a text-to-speech app, not just a button clicking app. So we need to add a text box so that you can actually type stuff into it. And how you do that is you go on the left side, you go and click the user interface palette, list of components over there, and click the text box, drag it and drop it into the screen. And it should be updated on our emulator over here. If you guys don't know what the emulator is, I encourage you guys all to go back to the first video and look at that. We show you how to connect to the emulator in that video. Cool. Now we have our text box on the emulator. It says hint for text box, so we can just rename that. All you have to do is just go to hint and then highlight it and delete it, and you can type something. Click enter. And you'll be good to go. So type something and click to talk. Now if we want to rearrange the order of these components, we just drag it and then drop it below it, and the text box goes on top and the button comes below it. It'll be updated really soon. There we go. Type something and then click to talk. Now if we type something, in the text box, if we say hello world and say click to talk.
Great job. You just built an app.
It tells us great job, we just built an app, because that's what we programmed it to say in the last video. So to program the button to say whatever we typed, we have to get rid of this fixed phrase. So you click it and drag it into the dumpster, or you can just hit the delete button on your keyboard and it deletes it. We have to go into the text box component and go through the list of setters and getters. So the setters are what set the parameters that we're looking for, or set the properties of the text box, and the getters are what get the properties of the text box. So let's say the text box had text in it and we wanted to get those text. The getters would be the light green ones, and then the setters would be the dark green ones. So we want to get whatever has been set in, whatever has been put in the text box, or whatever has been typed in the text box. So we want text box 1.text. That's the getter for it. So click it and drag it and just place it in here, and let's see what happens when we click our button now with hello world in it.
Hello world.
So our app tells us hello world, and that's basically how you program it, how you build a text-to-speech app. So whatever you type in the text box will be what is set to you. So let's type something different. Cut that. Let's type Doctor Who may just be better than Doctor Pepper,
Doctor Who may just be better than Dr. Pepper.
which I believe it's true because Doctor Who is cool. Anyway, that's basically how you build the text to speech app. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more help or more tutorials on using the MIT App Inventor to build apps, you can check the description below for links to the MIT App Inventor page or the EYES e-design page. If you guys didn't watch the first video, I encourage you guys all to go back and watch that one. The link will be in the description as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.